In this video, I will show you how to fix the missing search bar in Google Chrome so you can get it back quickly. Now, as you can see, I've currently got Google Chrome opened, but the Google search bar is not currently showing. To fix this, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open this menu, and from here you want to come down and click onto settings. Now once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto search engine. You can see currently my search engine is set to Yahoo, which is the reason why Google is not showing up. So to change this, just simply click the change button, and what you can then do is change this to Google, click the set as default button. You're now going to see when I open up a new tab, we now have the Google search box showing up again. So that is how to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.